boys and girls, please write your first name, last name, and date on this top line. You're going to fill out a September 2022 calendar. You're going to fill in the missing numbers. Then follow the directions below. So these ones that are shaded gray on your paper are August. September doesn't start until this white box here. Notice the number 2? So you're going to put a 1 in this box. And keep numbering. Wherever there's a blank, you're going to put a number. Like this. Now I have all of my numbers in all of the white boxes. This one is gray again because that is the 1st of October. So I'm not going to put a number on that box. Only the white boxes get numbers. The question 1 says, circle today on the calendar. Find today and circle it on the calendar. Like that. Okay? Put a T on tomorrow. Tomorrow will be here. You can follow along on the calendar I have at the front of the class. Put a Y on yesterday. Yesterday was the day before, so I'm going to put a Y on yesterday. Today is, and it says day of the week. The days of the week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Today is what day of the week? Today is Friday. The month is at the top of your calendar, September. And the date is the number of the day, and today is the 30th. So number 4 should say today is Friday, September 30th. Then put this with your Scholastic News in the Finish Work bin.